Hey y'all, thank you so much for watching my video today. If you are new here, my name is Kayle and I do a ton of cleaning videos. Today I am actually working on my office, which is really exciting because I've been trying to get this done for so long and there's like a huge pile of like just random stuff on the side of my desk. So we're going through that, hanging up some stuff. Also, today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, which I love them so much, so we'll talk about that later in the video. And we also get Dixie a new bed, so that's exciting. I hope you enjoy.
Are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you.
Okay, real quick, since I just cleaned off my desk area, I need to go through all of this stuff because there are shelves I'm going to be hanging on this side. I do need to order more because I have the same exact wall on the other side of my door. I need to go through all of this stuff, organize it, and then hang up all the shelves and organize my ears and magic bands and stuff like that, candles. And then over here, I'm redoing everything. So I'm actually taking out that coffee bar because I don't use it. The only reason why I wanted it is because I wanted to always display my beach mugs because I love the beach and it's my favorite. But I don't use it, and I'd rather just put a big old bed there for Dixie, which I did purchase actually tonight. So I'm going to lay that out, take the coffee bar out, kind of remove some of that other stuff, probably put her other beds and stuff somewhere else. I'm probably going to move that over there, and then I just need to pick up like all this extra stuff. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and start doing that.
Just call on me. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that.
So before we get too far into today's video, I want to show you an affordable and sustainable jewelry line called Ana Luisa. Their pieces range from $39 and up. Their products come from the same drawers as Tiffany's and Louis Vuitton, which is so cool to me. And you don't have to pay the insane luxury price markup. They have a 1-year warranty of all their pieces that have manufacturer defects. They produce sustainable jewelry, and if you have sensitive ears like I do, you're going to love this brand. I think these hoops in particular are my favorite. So the pieces I chose are very much my style. I love, love, love dainty jewelry, and I also love pearls. So I had to grab a pair of these earrings with little pearls at the end of them. They're so cute. And the bracelet that I chose is very much my style. It's very dainty and super cute. My style consists of a lot of solid color pieces, so it's extremely easy to pair this jewelry with literally anything. So of course I will leave everything down below in the description box so you can click on it very easily. So they are running an amazing sale right now. It's buy one get one 60% off site-wide, the entire website. So check it out. Maybe you can find something for yourself or find something for someone else as a gift. Maybe find a pair of earrings for a New Year's party. You never know. I love this jewelry brand. I wear it all the time. It does not hurt my ears, and my ears are very sensitive. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you some of the pieces that I have. I do have an order coming, I think of like 5 pieces or something, and I'm really excited. So I wear these all the time. I wore them last year for my Christmas video, and I wore them in my Christmas video this year. I love their bracelets. I do want to buy more, so this one's my favorite one. I wear it all the time. I have a cute little flower necklace. I love their hoops, so I basically have like all different types and sizes, and these ones are super special. I think they look very fancy, so I'm definitely gonna wear those like on a date night. But the quality of all of this stuff is awesome. They last forever. Definitely go check out their website. I'm gonna leave everything down below. But thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. I love your brand. I love working with y'all, so thank you so much.
It will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else.
Okay, now that the spider scared the crap out of me, I do not like spiders. So now I need to measure all of my little shelves. Also need to make sure that the ears have enough room in between each one. And then measure them evenly up this wall. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna do it off camera because it's super boring stuff. But you'll see me put the shelves on the wall.
Eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away.
Okay, so it's actually the next morning. I was actually on my way to my hair appointment, but they canceled it as I was driving there. So, and that was a reschedule already. So now there's a reschedule to the reschedule to the reschedule. So this is like the 4th time, but it's okay. As long as they can get me in before the holidays, I am not complaining. I told them, I was like, I'll work with whatever you have. So now I have time to finish up my office. Dixie loves her new bed. She's literally rolling in it right now. But first, before we start back in the office, I want to go in the guest room and take off the sheets and take off the duvet cover and wash those, because my dad is in town and they're going to be staying here tonight and tomorrow night, and I think they're heading back to Indiana on Friday morning. So I want to make sure that the bathroom and all that stuff is clean before they get here, and then we'll come back to my office and start doing that. So let's go into the guest room.
out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
So I know that the laundry room is a complete mess, but we'll come back and do this in a little bit. But let's do my office first, and then actually let's go ahead and just quick clean the guest bathroom really fast, and make sure everything is prepared for them, and then we'll go into my office. Okay, so I found this little tin bucket basket type thing. I'm gonna wipe it out with some water really fast. And I used to hold tampons and stuff like that in this in my the old house, but it doesn't really match a whole lot of things. But I think I'm gonna put this on the back of the toilet and have like one side like a roll of toilet paper if it fits, and then I have like Poopery and like Febreze and stuff that I'm gonna put on the other side. I just thought that it's kind of cute, so let me clean this out, and then we'll do like a quick wipe through of everything. Just clean the toilet and the sink area, and then put like the toiletries, or I don't really know if I got a whole bunch of stuff. I think I got like face wash, but I want to, and like I got them loofahs, and I want to set up their towels and everything that way, like when they are here, they're relaxed and stuff. So let's do that.
Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite.
It's so weird seeing myself in the mirror. Anyway, I got another little basket. Apparently I have a plethora of baskets around this house, but it fits one roll of toilet paper, so I'm excited. And then I'll just put like the little Poopery right beside it. So I'm gonna do that. Let's clean the toilet.
In California, the sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees, without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees, without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. flowers. Nothing's
Okay, so we are back in my office now that we got all that stuff done. I'm drying the duvet cover and the sheets separately. That way they don't get all bundled up. So I'm going to go in there and fluff it up every now and then, because sometimes if you just leave it alone, it just gets in this giant ball and it's all wrinkled and stuff. So let's go ahead and hang up the rest of the shelves. I'm so excited to finally be done with my office. Dixie loves this bed so much. It's actually the size for like an extra large dog, but I just thought it'd be like funny to get something like super big and then she just like runs around.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be
Okay, so I have everything done now. So the whole wall is complete. Obviously, I'm still going to be ordering some different stuff from Amazon. I do need to order at least 4 more shelves for the other side of the wall over there. That's what it looks like right now. Dixie loves that bed so much. So I do need to put more shelves over there because I have some more stuff I want to put up. But other than that, that's what everything looks like. I'm going to do a quick vacuum and then we're going to be done with the office. Actually, I want to show you something really quick. So this is actually the stuffed animal that my dad got my grandma right before she passed when we went to our Disney trip together. But they got me this bear from Build-A-Bear. I actually have a sound of my grandma saying that she loves me. It's really nice to hear her voice, especially when I'm having like a really rough day or something, or if I miss her and I want to hear her voice. I can just press the paw and I can hear it. So just if you're ever wondering what type of gift to give someone, this is a really, really special gift, and my dad and my stepmom got it for me for my birthday. So this is my grandma. So I miss her so much, but I'm so glad that I'm able to still hear her voice. Alright y'all, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about Ana Luisa, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you. And I will leave all the links at the very top of my description box, and I'll see you very soon with the next video.
than the rest of